able to convince anyone I was capable of doing these things. I would never see the inside of a jail cell. I'm a dying man who runs a car wash. My right hand to God. That is all that I am. What's the point? Skylar, bring the kids here. And then we'll talk. That is not going to happen. I don't know who you are. I don't even know who I'm talking to. And all you've got to do is let him go. It's Hank. His name is Hank. You want me to beg? You're the smartest guy I ever met. You're too stupid to see. He made up his mind 10 minutes ago.
Chemistry is the study of matter, but I prefer to see it as the study